Welcome to the second segment on effective social media marketing. In the first segment, we talked about how a key point is to make sure each post introduces only one idea so that it sticks in the mind of the customer. So in this episode, we're going to talk about how you want to make sure that that one idea is something the customer cares about, not something that I care about telling you. So let's use an example and say that I manufacture a wonderful line of lawnmowers, and I'd like to make sure I tell you how many models I have and all the different price ranges and the features and all sorts of wonderful things. But you, the customer, might be looking for the quietest lawnmower that you can find, and that's what you care about. Is it quiet? So it would be more effective for me to pick that one thing and let you know that that's the case. I sell the quietest lawnmower that is made. You really should take a look at this thing because your neighbors will thank you. There's an example where I pick one thing and I've registered that one idea that's customer focused in the mind of whoever's watching this. And again, I can tell them that there's more to come about these lawnmowers. Follow me and watch the next post. But one idea, customer focused. If you'd like to have content like this for you or your business, call, text, or email me.